I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan with Freedom Canada Online is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Freedom mobile website and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, go to the My Account section. Look for the Change Plan option in the menu. Step 3. Select your new plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one that suits your needs. Pay attention to the details, such as data limits and pricing. Step 4. Review and confirm changes. After selecting a new plan, review the changes carefully. Make sure everything looks correct before confirming. Sometimes, there may be a prompt about your billing cycle. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. Once you confirm your new plan, check your email for a confirmation message from Freedom Mobile. This will ensure that your changes have been processed successfully. Changing your plan can be a breeze if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy planning!